Hey, it's Kylie with WTI. Okay, so if you're looking for a new set of table lamps, then I have just the lamps for you. These are 23-inch modern ceramic table lamps by PoKat. When I first received these lamps, I just could not believe how gorgeous they are. I love the farmhouse feel that they bring into my room. They're modern and sleek, and yet I love the minimalistic and contemporary look that they have. The lamps themselves have this really beautiful beige and white design, and it matches almost any bedroom decor. So I'm still working on decorating my bedroom, and these lamps have given me some really nice inspiration when it comes to the decor that I want in here. I appreciated that these lamps were very easy to assemble as well. They came packaged very well, nothing was broken, and you do have to put the lampshade together, but I found that to be very easy to do. In general, I just love how simple they are to operate. The switch doesn't get stuck, which has happened to me in other lamps, and it's very easy to turn. So the base of the lamp is made from a quality ceramic, which feels very sturdy but not too heavy. And overall, I just love the footprint that it has. It's very small, and I don't have a very big table here on the side of my bed, so I just really like that it doesn't take up too much room. If you're looking for a great table lamp, then I would highly suggest you check out these 23-inch modern ceramic lamps from PoKat. And that's my point of view.